Bienvenidos! Today on Veggies in Disguise, I'm going to be cooking a breakfast fajita casserole. You'll want a 9-inch pan coated with oil at the bottom and cube 3 cups of potato and put it on the bottom of the pan. You can also use hash browns if you'd like. The oven's preheated at 425 and just put them in for 20 to 25 minutes until they're a little crispy. So in a large pan, just dabble about a tablespoon of olive oil, and you're going to have 1 green pepper and 1 red pepper cut in strips, and saute these in the oil for about 5 minutes, and you can even add some jalapeno if you want a little heat. And go ahead and add a teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of pepper. Next, add the red onion, and you're going to want to cut it into rounds and then cut it in half. Add the sausage, and I use a vegan sausage, but you can also use regular sausage, and just cook until the sausage is brown. While the fajita mixture is cooking, you want to crack 6 eggs in a bowl with 1/3 of a cup of milk, with your 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder, and then just whisk. Now we're ready to combine the ingredients. The potatoes came out with a nice little crunch that I like. Instead of 20 minutes, I just left them in there for 25 minutes. And then just pour the fajita mixture on top. And then pour the egg mixture on top, trying to coat it evenly. And then 1.5 cups of Mexi cheese. You could even use pepper jack cheese as well. And then you're also going to want to make sure your oven's at 350, and then just put it back in the oven for 20 to 25 minutes or until the eggs are set. And the breakfast fajita casserole is finished. Buen provecho! We will be launching a new YouTube video every Wednesday and Friday at 3 p.m. and I'll be available for any questions you have or suggestions for future videos.